Hey everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on Msfconsole, the powerful command line interface for the Metasploit framework. We'll explore its basics, from launching to navigating and executing exploits. Let's dive in. Msfconsole is the heart of Metasploit. It's a command line tool that allows you to interact with the framework, explore exploits, payloads, and much more. Let's dive in. To start Msfconsole, open your terminal and type Msfconsole. Hit Enter. This will launch the Metasploit framework. Once in Msfconsole, you'll see various prompts and information. Let's cover some essential commands. Help provides a list of available commands. Exits Msfconsole. Use selects a module exploit, payload, auxiliary. Show options displays options for the selected module. Sets values for module options. Run executes the selected module. Exploits are vulnerabilities in software that can be leveraged to gain access. Payloads are the code executed on the target system after successful exploitation. Show exploits lists available exploits. Searches for exploits based on keywords. Show payloads lists available payloads. Before launching an exploit, you need to specify the target. Set roast sets the remote host IP address. Set port sets the remote port. Show options review and configure additional options as needed. Once everything is configured, you can launch the exploit. A successful exploit often results in a meterpreter session, a powerful interactive shell. Msfconsole offers advanced capabilities for post-exploitation and privilege escalation. Post-exploitation modules use modules to gather information, maintain persistence, and escalate privileges. Payload customization create custom payloads for specific scenarios. Meterpreter scripting automate tasks using meterpreter scripts. Always use Metasploit and Msfconsole for authorized testing and penetration testing. Unauthorized access is illegal and unethical. Respect network and system security. With practice and understanding, you can become proficient in using Msfconsole for your penetration testing and security assessments.